Hello and welcome back to the Beardy Explorer channel. I am Will and today I've got a very special knife to be making. This is a knife for my brother's birthday. He kind of likes his knives, so I've decided for his birthday I'm going to make him a special knife. This is going to be a hunting knife and I'm going to use a bit of walnut, I've got a little bit of ash and a rasp to create this hunting knife for him. Right, okay, so today, like I said, I'm going to be making a special knife for my brother. It's his birthday. He kind of likes his knives, and I thought it would be nice to try and make him a nice special knife for his birthday. It's not a special birthday or anything like that, but it's just now that my skills are getting a little bit better in the knife making, I thought, why not try and make a gift for somebody? So this is what I'm doing. I've gone back onto the old Pinterest as usual, and I found this one here, which is what they're calling a hunting knife, and I think I possibly might go for the third one down. It's sort of looks about to be a right sort of size for what I want to do. And I've got a rasp, another rasp to use to make the actual blade out of, and walnut as my wood of choice for the majority of the actual handle, I think. But I found this tiny little bit of ash in my shed, which is one of my favourite woods, but I just haven't got much of it. It's quite expensive wood to actually get hold of, so I need to be careful with how I use that. And interestingly, I'm going to probably make an axe that's going to match with this and have them both together, sort of a bit of a combi set, but I'll do that in another video. So I want to use a little bit of ash, obviously, to make a bit of a feature on the axe as well. So that is the plan. I've managed to get myself some spray paint so I can transfer my pattern onto the actual rasp so I can cut it out. It's not the best colour, I've got silver, that's all I could find knocking around in my shed, but we'll see how it goes because this is quite corroded looking at the minute, so it should actually show up quite well. So we'll use a spray paint technique this time for marking out the pattern, and we'll get it started and get cutting out and see where we go from there. Okay, we've got it pretty much roughly shaped up now, and I did do a heat treat on the handle just so I could drill it. So I've got the holes drilled in that also. It's coming out quite a nice little knife. It's actually really nice in the hand, that one. I like the way that one feels. It's good. So next I'll be looking to get the bit of wood ready for making the handle, but I think actually before that I'll probably sand off obviously all this texture on the handle so I get a nice good seal on that when I put the handle together. I'm not too bothered about keeping too much of the texture on this particular knife. If it stays on there, it's got to be more aesthetic. I'm not going to be having it, you know, for usefulness of the actual rasp itself. I just want to tidy it up and get as much of that sort of off as I can, just to neat it up. But you know, whatever's left is left, but it won't be sort of very functional. But that's how I'm going to do this one, because it's a different type of knife, I suppose. I don't really want to use it as a bushcrafting knife, and I don't think my brother will do either. His will be just for obviously as a gift or whatever, so it's up to him to do what he wants with it. But that's what I plan on doing. Okay, that's got that all glued up and going off at the moment. It's nearly gone off now. I've left it for about 20 minutes, half an hour or so. So we're coming out the clamps shortly. But you might be wondering why I've done it in such a way, sandwiching it sort of ash, then the walnut, then the blade, then the walnut, then the ash again. I'm looking to try and get like a little bit of an accent of the ash left over, so as I trim down the actual handle itself, although I'm a bit concerned that it's a little bit thick and I might lose most of the ash, which I don't want to do. So that's the reason why I've done it like that, and that's just hoping that I have enough, you know, I don't trim too much off, because it is looking quite girthy at the minute. So time will tell when I start cutting into that to see whether I have much of that left over. I'm hoping to do though, because it'll be a nice little cool little accent on there. So I'll be popping that out the clamps in a sec and going to sort the handle out.
Slap. 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 Slap.
So that is my rasp into a what is classified I think as a hunting knife, this one, with the walnut and ash handles on it. It feels really good in the hand. That's a nice feeling knife. That ended up getting the ash accents looking just right on that. It was about the right thickness, so pretty happy with that. Maybe a little bit chunky, but I think it feels really good in the hand, so I'm pretty happy with that. So hopefully my brother will be happy with it. I will be making a axe that goes along with this in the same sort of fashion, with the walnut handle with a little bit of an ash accent on it, so they sort of go as a bit of a pair really. The axe is this one here, just a little dinky one. It's probably going to come out more like a little bit of a tomahawk, to be honest, but it'll be a nice little cute small axe to go with it, so keep your eye out for that on the next video. So that will be the axe coming up. But if you've enjoyed this content and enjoyed this video, give us a like and a subscribe, and hit the old bell button. That would be super cool if you could. And I'll see you for making the axe next. So take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.